because of this. We don't allow this one here without a permit.
Camera?
Yeah.
Listen, you know, actually yesterday, there was kind of 6 people. Yeah, what's up guys? This is the Tiger KE. Today I'm coming live from Nyayo Gardens, Nakuru town. This is one of the best parks, you know. Yeah, just see aloud how it looks. And now guys, this is the Tiger KE. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, I say thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, you know. Yeah, so guys, today I'm coming live from a very beautiful park here in Nakuru town. Its name is Nyayo Gardens here in Nakuru. It's a popular garden. You can come to relax when you are bored and kind of when you are not in moods, you see. Yeah, you can see behind me there is a lot of people just relaxing everywhere. Yeah, and you see the grass looks green, everything looks chill here, you know. Yeah, so today I'm coming live and I just want to take you loud this place and you see how it looks like. I'm just listening to a vlog music, kind of editing music, you know, the one that we put background. I just want to feel whether it sounds great to you, you know. Maybe I'll use it on this video. Yeah, so guys, I want to take you out this place and show you. It's actually at the middle of town, you know. It's actually at the most middle of the town. Yeah, let me take you around this place and see how it looks like. And guys, if you're watching me guys and you have not subscribed, please get me to 1,000, man. I'm almost there. Imagine I'm less than 200 subscribers, man. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will appreciate, man, you know. Yeah, I'm almost there guys. Please, today I say please go subscribe to my YouTube channel, because the next video will be even better than this, you know. Yeah, let me take you around this place and see how this place actually looks like, you know. Yeah, I don't know why my camera sometimes looks foggy, or it's good. Let me wipe it a little bit. Maybe now it looks better. So guys, let me take you around this place and show you how it looks like. Amazing. So you can see how green this place looks, man. There's some flowers all over. People are relaxing, you know. Yeah. It's one of the best places you can come to relax when you are in Nakuru town, you know. Yeah. You can see how the grass looks green. Also some beautiful trees here. You can see it's the county government of Nakuru where you put your waste. Also you have some where you can wash your hands. I don't know whether it has some water. Oh yeah, it's working, you see? Yeah, it's working guys. Then also I think that's somewhere you can wash your hands. And this place has rooms also up there. If you see up there's some rooms. You can help yourself, you know. Yeah, it's right at the middle of town. So if you come and you get stranded in Nakuru, just ask someone where is Nyayo Gardens, and you'll be directed directly here. You can come and relax here as you wait for your next step, you know. Yeah, it's direct opposite Medica Hotel. Yeah, you can see the walk path, how it looks, man. Beautiful. Some girls come here to chill, other people to sleep, you know. And also you have a very nice trees here. Wow. This place actually looks great, you know. I think I need to cross here and see. Yeah, we step on this beautiful grass here. This place looks amazing, guys, man. Wow, look at this place. People are chilling loud, and it looks amazing, amazing, amazing. You can see that's the Melika Hotel. For those guys who have never been here, it's a very popular hotel here, and it's also a 5-star hotel where rich guys come to vibe, you know. Yeah, you can see there is a lot of people here relaxing aloud. Yeah, and most of them are kind of looking at me. They are wondering, what is this guy doing? But I'm showing you guys how this place actually looks like, you know. Yeah, you can see how people are relaxing here. A lot of people just relaxing here. Wow, wow. And also, you can see there's somewhere you can come and sit down here. This is at the middle of the garden. You can come from either of this direction. There is a gate on that side. That's Kenyatta Avenue. This is toward the county government offices. And from this direction, this is just from nowhere, just outside the town. And we just walk toward that path, you know. Yeah. There is also some lightings here you can see, to the glorious memory of all who gave their lives that we might live. 1914 to 1918, 1939 to 19. We will remember them. See? Wow. There are some also beautiful flowers here you can see. Wow, wow. Let me continue walking here, and you see how people do relax here. You see how clean this place is? Man, this place looks crazy, man. Beautiful, you know? Wow, 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 wow. This place looks beautiful, beautiful. You know, you can see, even if you are working or you feel tired when you are within, you can come and sleep at this place. Actually, there is no one can ask you any question. No one can ask you any question, no? Yeah, you can just come and relax at this place, man. I don't know why my camera looks foggy, man. Crazy. One day I threw it on inside water to test if it's waterproof. Maybe that's why it's looking foggy. But I hope it. You can see some beautiful sceneries. There you can see there is a bank, Nakuru branch. I guess that's for the police. Yeah, this place looks beautiful, you know. So if you're out there and you want to come and relax, or you want to take some pictures around this place, you can come and visit Nyayo Gardens. One of the best places you can be here. And let me wipe my camera a little bit. I think it will look beautiful. I hope now you can see clearly. Wow, 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 wow. Let me continue walking here and see what we can see about this place, you know. Wow, there's some Red Cross guys there. I know they are asking if people can donate blood. Let me tell you one thing most of people don't know. Once you donate blood, twice. I don't know whether it's here in Kenya or it's worldwide. The day you will need blood or something like that, or you are involved on an accident, you'll be treated for free. That's something you need to know, guys. Once you donate blood, twice only. The moment you yourself you will need blood, you know, you'll be given for free with no charges. So it's also a good thing to do. Donating is also helping, but always make sure you donate to the right institutions, you know. So here there is some rooms. You can see how it looks. And now you can see the big name there, the America Hotel. Here it is. Oh, looking beautiful. As in, this is a 5-star hotel, and also the most expensive hotel here in Nakuru. But for the guys who do visit this hotel, it's not expensive to them, you know. It's not expensive to them at all. Yeah, I think I need to open this camera here and wipe it a little bit to avoid yeah, it turns to be clear. Crazy. And my lens is out. My lens is out. I don't know how to do this, man. Let me try and see whether. Oh, again. Just fell again, man. What is wrong, man? And I'm trying to show you the beautiful side of Nakuru. Yeah. Come on, dude. Let me cross like that. And now it looks beautiful again. Wow. Let me wipe it a little. Crazy. Oh, that was crazy. So, have a look at this. The walls are very beautifully made. And also we have some beautiful flowers here. Yeah. Look at these trees. Wow. This place looks beautiful. Hey, you see that flower? Also we have purple one here. Beautiful. There's so many beautiful flowers here. Look at this. Wow. So this is what we call Nyayo Gardens. It's one of the best parks you can find here in Nakuru. So guys, I just took you out this place. For those of you who have never seen this is used to cut grass here, you know, this machine here. Yeah. For those guys who have never seen this place, I hope you have enjoyed seeing. Let me see whether these taps also do work. We saw the one down there actually works. What about this? Let me see. Yeah, it's working properly, you know. You see? Wow, it's working. So guys, I know you have enjoyed today's tour. I have taken you out this place. You have seen how people do enjoy up here. People do relax, you know. And also for those guys who are traveling, they can come and relax. There is plenty of parking here. You see? Plenty. If you have a car, you feel sleepy, and you are traveling the west side of Kenya, you can come and relax here for an hour, you know? For 1 hour, and you'll be good. Yeah. Next year, this is a fire station where firefighters are parked, you know. I wish I can see the Yanhaba Bata. Once you call 911, everything will be alright. So guys, I really do appreciate for you watching this video up to this far. And also for those guys who have not subscribed, please subscribe. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. I will appreciate a lot, and I'm not trying I'm actually want to bring you content every day without fading, and also I'm planning to go outside Kenya, you know. Yeah, so how are you?
Mambo.
I'm not supposed to vlog here.
Yeah, because of this, we don't allow this one here without a permit.
Am I
not
not?
Inside here.
I'm talking about inside here.
Not inside here. If it's inside here, you must take the permission from the office.
You know, actually,
You
yesterday.
are not here to argue that. Let's talk
Listen,
outside here.
you know, actually yesterday, there was kind of 6 people who are filming in here. You know? There are about 6 people who are filming in here.
But they had permission
No.
from the office.
How? Do you know them?
I don't know them. Which side?
In here, I'm talking about in here. They were doing their vlogs.
Maybe hatukuwaona.
Hapana, kwa nini hamkuwaona? 6 from Nairobi.
At what time?
Huh?
Saa ngapi hivi?
Maybe it was 2 p.m.
Yesterday.
Yeah,
Are you sure of it?
I'm very sure about it.
Were you among them?
No.
You see?
See, I can see their vlogs on YouTube. Yeah, I can see their vlogs on
Unless
YouTube.
walikuwa wanafanya bila sisi kujua wakihide. But si tukiona, I will not allow you to do that without permission from the office.
Okay, say hi to my subscribers then. Say hi. The guy is so shy, man. But already, I have finished vlogging already before she brings trouble, you know. I already finished vlogging, and I hope you have enjoyed the view of the park. It looks great, you know. But at the end of it, she was like, "You are not supposed to film this place." But I'm wondering, what are they kind of trying to hide? There's nothing in here to hide. There's nothing here you can hide. This is the America Hotel, guys, that I'm telling you. And this is outside the park. You can see how this place actually looks like. Wow. There's some beautiful, beautiful trees all around. And this is the sign of Nakuru, you know? Yeah, the flamingos. That's the sign to show you are within Nakuru County. Yeah. So guys, that is it, man. So you have seen how the park actually looks like. There's some beautiful trees, beautiful flowers also. Yeah, and also myself, I have really enjoyed being allowed this place, you know. It looks beautiful. You can see the kind of cars you can see outside America Hotel. Wow. Yeah, expensive cars. Whoa, 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 whoa. This car looks expensive, like there is Ford, Blatter, Mercedes-Benz E380, man. Well, see, there's some Prado and Cruisers. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's the kind of cars you can see outside the America Hotel. No, that's crazy. So guys, let me say that's all for today. See you in the next video. Ciao.